This Coldwell Banker Advantage property video is presented by Stephanie Sundene. Be the talk of all your friends. Unique geodis dome home on Upper Lake Camelot. Home features an open concept, large family room, first floor full bath, first floor bedroom and laundry room. Upper level / primary bedroom and half bath along with a finished attic / loft that overlooks the lake to enjoy your morning coffee or stare at the stars. Lower level with a full bath along with a bedroom and rec area that are all ready to be finished for the new owners. 30 by 30 detached garage to store all your toys. Pontoon boat, dock and boat lift all come with the property. On ATV/UTV route. Come and enjoy all that Rome has to offer, including the renowned Sand Valley Golf Course. New roof on home in 2021, 200 amp Generac generator. Schedule your private showing today. https://u2.b/sact8bhvsbc for more information.